days that you don't want to do anything, where you're too tired, too sore, you just don't feel like it, those days, those are the days that count. When you have those feelings, it's even more important to step up and get some. If you got something to do, don't put it off till tomorrow. Don't do that. Don't voluntarily do anything tomorrow that you should be getting done today. Get it done today. Don't wait. Attack it, destroy it, and move on.
Every single day when you wake up, you got two options. You can look at the clock and hit the snooze. You can look at that snooze button, boom. You can hit the snooze button and go back to bed and dream about what you want to have. Or you can look at that snooze button, kick that clock, and get up and go pursue your dreams.
Going to do a solo hunt tonight all by myself. Yeah, KP wasn't able to make it down. It's kind of middle of the week, but I was like, there's a couple places I'd like to try out. And I might not do any calling. I don't know. I might just go scout and see what crops are off, and then because we're going to hunt tomorrow, and we'll just kind of see. We'll kind of see what the night holds. I would like to do at least 2 or 3 stands. You know, see if things can't get a little sideways or a little western. We'll see how it goes. Got the X24, brought the 243, and representing 365 thermal, baby. I'll keep you posted, man. All right, guys. First stand was not very eventful, but we heard a lot of fucking coyotes. I'm kind of in a valley right now, like in a big bowl on these creek bottoms, and man, they were lighting up. So I just ran about a 20 minute sequence on that last stand, and then I came over maybe about a mile and a half, and I'm gonna try and set up on them, see if I can't get some action. Another one. Well, we made it to the 3rd stop. 2nd stop was definitely a success. We're going to see what we can't get rolling tonight. Pretty much I've been doing like just a lone howl, then a pair howl. Then I've been doing some like group interactions. Nothing crazy, nothing like super insane. Let that play out and give it a little wait. then I will start going into some like little rodent distress, rabbit distress, something like that, just for a little bit, just as a little change up. And after that, I play like an aggressive kind of like a yo mama fight. I'd play that typically, or like bar fight, and then we get into it. So we'll see what happens here. Third stand. Let's go. One down. All right, man. So the second oh yeah, that's what I want right there. Good shot. Get you in the back of the meat wagon, boy. Many a coyote stayed back here.